Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Laila Sofea binti Zafri, metric number 820A1404, are going to present about my industrial training at V Ventures Forwarding. To begin with, V Ventures Forwarding established first in 1999 by Encik Muhammad Nizam bin Kamaruddin. V Ventures Forwarding is a fully Bumiputra company. V Ventures Forwarding then expand their service operation portfolio into insurance agent and civil construction. At first, this company provide door-to-door service as an agent. Now, the company enhanced the operation by offering door-to-door service as an agent. V Ventures company provide a lot of services to their customers, such as custom agent, import and export, door-to-door service, shipping agent, air freight agent, and transportation agent. As the company grew bigger, the company add more operation in their company, such as warehouse operation, circumtest beyond control, international convention, routing, governing law, and insurance. So here is the V Ventures Forwarding team. We have Encik Muhammad Nizam bin Kamaruddin as the director, and we have Wan Muhammad Haizir as Custom Clearance, Logistics and Warehouse Department, Head of Department. And Muhammad Faizal bin Zulkifli is responsible for Trading, Business, Recreational Travel and Development Department. And we have Muhammad Rafiz bin Abdullah Musim as Civil Construction Department. Since I am a logistics student, I am under Wan Muhammad Haizir bin Rafi'i surveillance, since he is responsible in logistic activities. During the 4 months period of industrial training, I learned a lot of things, which is I never learned before this, since all I learned in university is theory based on theory. So in V Ventures Forwarding, I learned how to custom clearance. I learned that how to navigating custom regulations and procedures, ensuring shipments comply with import and export law of different countries. And I also learned tracking and monitoring, because V Ventures Forwarding also provide tracking service so client can monitor the movement of their shipment in real time and receive updates on the status of their goods. This is the most used document in V Ventures Forwarding. This is the application or permit to transfer or move goods type K8. The process is whenever an item from foreign country arrive at Malaysia, we need to declare the items at Royal Custom Malaysia in order the item can be released from the port and sent to the clients. So next to it is notice of arrival. Notice of arrival is a document where all the details of the ship that carrying those items is placed. So in notice of arrival, there is a lot of details, which is ship call number, types of ship, the name of the ship, the date of the ship arrived at. Bill of lading also one of the most frequently used in this company. Bill of lading usually stated the origin of the items import or export, and the total of units import or export, the consignee, consigner, and forwarding agent. I might not doing much during my training period, but all I can say is my most frequently task is providing a listing of the items that need to be released from port Klang, and I also sometimes declare 1 or 2 items per day. I can say that my biggest concern in this company is the way the employee record data. Sometimes the director prefer for the employees to record data manually, which is not convenient in this era. So the company may improve their way of recording data, since employees sometimes having difficulties to locate document each time employee asks for it. And nowadays there are a lot of system, and with the advance of technology, I don't think recording data is manually is convenient anymore. Furthermore, it's hassle and require more papers, which is sometimes scattered everywhere in the office. I personally think that this company should consider to improvise the workspace environment, since the office is in the poor state. As we can see here, the not sure which is documents, paper, boxes, plastic is everywhere, making it's a little bit uncomfortable for employees to keep working in that state. During my training here, I don't face any difficulties because I receive proper training from my co-workers. Hence, I do not feel burdened with the task, and I managed to complete it by the time required by my supervisor or director. Furthermore, my task here is not that complicated, making me able to do it myself. To be honest, there are many more things that I need to explore in logistic sector, but since I already received training in prevention forwarding, I now understand and learn that the flow of movement of items, import or exports, and I'm exposed to the document usually used in logistics sector, and I'm exposed to the reality of the freight forwarding sector.